Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared Leary here with BootUp. This video I'm going to show you how to randomize the effects in the photo editor project. So right now when I press the letter X, it's going to make it so that it changes the color. Okay, that's cool and all, but I want to actually make it so that I don't know what color it's going to switch to, and it's just going to kind of randomize what happens. So instead of using change, I'm actually going to use a different block. I'm going to use the set, and I'm going to use a green operator block to pick a random number. Now, right now when I press X, it's picking a random number between 1 and 10, and I keep pressing it, and that looks pretty neat, but it's a very small number that it's changing between. So I want to actually pick a negative number, like negative 100, and a positive number, 100. So it's going to pick anywhere from negative 100 all the way up through 100. So now when I press X, it's going to randomly pick a color, and I have no idea what it's going to be. Now what's pretty cool about this is you can actually use this pick random in a bunch of different effects on here to pick different stuff. So for instance, when I press the space key, I've got all these different effects right here that is picking between like 1 and 200, negative 100 and 100, 1 and 100, 0 and 50, etc. So when I press spacebar, I have no idea what it's going to look like, completely randomizes it, makes it look really interesting because it's randomizing all these different effects all at the same time. So if you want to randomize some effects, you don't have to do every single one of these, but experiment with different effects and using a pick random block inside of it. Just make sure you change these numbers to different numbers and see what you can create. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.